All right, guys, so Austin was over. We were doing some tire work, and I wanted to show him a new tool that I got. This is not the new tool. This is the one we're more familiar with for mounting tires, beating up a tire. So a lot of guys call them Cheetah tanks because the name brand one is a Cheetah tank. It's simply a tank with a ball valve to blast a bead on a tire. They work pretty good.
Yeah, I've only used that or starting fluid in the lighter.
Starting fluid in the lighter, and that is always the go-to. That's the most insane one. The problem with this Cheetah tank, especially, is it's extremely awkward to do it, to use it, and then you have to open the valve as fast as you can. And sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't. So I got an upgraded version, and it just looks cool. So what's cool about this one, so this is a Tire Explosion 8. Links to these are in the description below. But what's cool about this one is it actually is an air actuated valve. So a simple pull of the trigger and it instantly blasts. It's not throwing a big lever. You just literally pull the trigger and it blasts. So let's give them both a blast.
Is this full right now?
So that one is full. They're both full.
Okay.
Go ahead and do yours. So more volume in that one, has a bigger tank.
Jeez.
Really, really cool. Highly recommend it. This thing works badass, and it doesn't mean that you couldn't put this valve on a bigger tank, but then you would lose this shape of this thing, which makes it really easy to use in a variety of angles. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Let's try it.
Yeah.
You calling Akila?
Yep.
Seeing if she has some tambourines?
Oh, let's see if she has potatoes.
Oh.
Hey, babe.
Hey, what are you doing?
Playing a cat?
Oh, can you bring us some potatoes?
What do you need potatoes for?
No reason.
Tell her it's warts.
Warts?
Yeah, yeah, it's for warts.
It's for warts?
We need it for warts.
Warts, we got lots of warts.
Round ones, like cylinders.
Yeah. Yeah, the more round, the better.
For warts.
Yeah, for warts.
Round potatoes for warts. This is new to me.
Yeah, well, warts. You know, we were at the strip club last night. We got warts.
You're so gross. I'm not bringing you potatoes. They're for Thanksgiving.
No, bring us at least 3.
We just need 3.
Just 3.
I'm not skimping on my potatoes because you needed them for warts.
Well, I need you to bring us potatoes.
Okay. When I get down there with the potatoes, I need to know why you need the potatoes for real, though.
Okay, you can participate.
Oh, I don't think I want to.
Okay, see you in a bit.
All right, hey Gavin, what's the size on the threading for that fitting?
1.5 pipe thread.
And did you get some high pressure line?
Did I get what?
Did you get a high pressure steel
Oh
line?
yeah, this is high pressure ABS.
Is that why it says?
Yeah,
for high pressure?
disregard that. It says
Okay.
it's for pressure.
Pressure. Yeah. And then you got some high quality ABS glue, right?
Yeah, some pipe weld in an aerosol can.
Just a can.
Never used it. It's cleaner and cement in one. So you know when they combine stuff like that, it's usually better.
Kind of like when they have a boat and a car at the same time.
Yeah, boat cars, awesome boats, awesome cars. You cannot go wrong with a boat car.
I've seen that before. I've never actually used that.
I could have read the directions, but I think it'll work. Uh-oh.
Luckily, it's not like it's going to be under high pressure.
No, it shouldn't be. It's dripping a lot.
What are some safety precautions we're taking?
So don't stand anywhere to the side of it.
Okay.
Or to the front of it.
Okay.
And then cross your fingers.
Uh-huh.
Kiss your ass.
Yep.
And say goodbye.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like the American way.
It is the American way right there.
Are we literally just going to thread that onto the end of this? And
So this part threads, let's see, it looks like it's drying out. This is actually just unthreaded, and then this is a lock ring, so you can position, that's for hooking on the bead there, the bead of the wheel, and then this would be down below the wheel. So I think we'll just be able to thread this in all the way, hopefully. Yeah, that's gonna look good.
And it's
Except
pitch
first,
black outside.
It's pitch black outside.
So we're gonna do it inside.
Inside. So before we put this on there, though, there's an upgrade to this pipe I want to do. Real
Is
quick.
it putting on some pipe dope because safety first?
No, it's gonna be sharpening this so easier to get the potatoes in.
So Gavin thinks he's got a piece of steel somewhere around here that we can shoot at. I'm not convinced that this is going to work. I think it's going to explode. I told everyone I have the utmost confidence that this will work.
It'll work.
Where's this piece of steel we can shoot it at? The shop is looking awesome, by the way.
So we gotta. Oh, here. I got an easy one.
Oh, that does look beefy.
So I gotta. How good an aim you
If you can't hit that, we've got other problems.
No promises.
Got potatoes.
Not as good as tambourines, but they'll work.
Yeah, they'll work. All right, so this is where he's got it set up, and there is absolutely nothing around here that could be damaged. It's not like it's gonna launch off into this window. All right, let's see.
That's good spray paint right here.
Aw. There it goes.
Well, I was trying to paint a portrait of you so we can. I'll just put tears on it. There you go. And then your hair. There's Austin's hair.
That's looking more like, it's gotta be a little curlier, but people will get it.
Well, yeah, but you're gonna get shot with the potatoes.
Oh,
so you're
yeah.
scared.
Makes sense.
Hey,
Makes
this
sense.
stinks. I don't know what's wrong with this spray can. There. You have the longest torso I've ever seen in my life.
It looks just like
You
me.
look like an alien.
I think I'm gonna need to go to a doctor and get that.
Yeah, you might want to
Like
get that one checked out.
All right, hearing protection and eye protection. You know, safety first.
All right. Choose your.
I'll go with these. You have chosen poorly. All right, we're ready. Safety first.
Safety first. I got a tater. I got a pole. So I think what we should do. Oh, I think I broke it. All right. It has good seal.
Is it filled up?
It is not full yet. Okay. Oh yeah.
Ready.
Ready.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, we gotta see what the slow-mo looks like. That just obliterated it.
It's like it's shooting nothing but juice. I wonder if we need to do less pressure.
That's what I said. That's potato parts. Oh, this thing is just covered with potato goo.
It's all over.
Let's do the last one with a little less pressure.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was expecting. Honestly, I thought that was going to explode.
You thought
I thought the ABS
I've
was
made
just
a
gonna
lot of potato guns, and hairspray doesn't blow them up usually.
Well, I thought you usually use PVC. with
I
those.
always used ABS.
Oh, huh.
Yeah, I don't know. But who knows? It's been a long time.
Oh, that one sounds good.
Okay, so
What was the pressure on the last one?
this thing is in bar, and it was at 6, or no, I think it was at 12. Let's see. I think it was at 12 bar. It was right on. Let's see where it blows off at, and we'll look at it. Yeah, 12. So it blows off at 12. So let's go to there. 8 bar.
8 bar. Isn't 1 bar 14.7?
I can't remember what the.
Because a bar is an atmosphere, right? So it should be 14.7.
Yeah.
So 8 bar. That's still. How high is your air compressor pressure?
That one goes 200.
Oh, jeez. All right, it's recording.
All right, here we go.
Oh my!
Still.
I can't even. I can't even see it leave.
You can hear it hit.
Oh, and you just see a splat.
Yeah.
All right, let's check the slow-mo.
All right, so it's the next morning. Now it's light out. So I'm going to take this thing outside and we'll shoot it and see if we can't actually see the potato flying through the air. Because I'm actually quite curious about it, the velocity of this thing, because it seems insanely fast. I found that this is the easiest way to do this. Oh, that's a tight one. So I think one of the next upgrades I'm going to do is I'm going to get an 1.5-inch thread, but I'm going to go to a 2-inch pipe, and maybe even get a 3-inch pipe and see what it'll do. I have a little like Nerf football that I think would be kind of fun to shoot out of this thing, and that would require a 3-inch ID-ish, or maybe slightly less. So. All right, first I'm just going to shoot at that wall. That's about 60 feet away or so. Definitely saw it that time. So it definitely came out of there. So that's the side that hit the dirt wall there. It's mostly clay. It's a pretty hard wall. All right, so this time we're going to shoot it. I'm gonna lob it basically right there. Actually, I'm gonna go a little bit farther over. Let's go right over here so that we can see it go into the trees. Do it from like this. All right, guys, Tire Explosion 8, badass bead blaster, less volume, less air pressure to beat up the same tire. So it is a really, really cool blaster, and it's all because it's so fast at releasing that air. So if you're gonna do something like we just did, I have to do a disclaimer on that. Do it at your own risk, 1. 2, don't stand next to it or in front of it no matter what you're putting down the thing. It's not the fact that if you put a marshmallow down it, the marshmallow is going to hurt somebody. It's the fact that you're screwing that barrel or the tube or whatever into a piece of crappy cast aluminum from some foreign country, who knows where. And that means that now your barrel is potentially the projectile. So don't stand in front of it or next to it or anything if you're gonna do something stupid like that, like we just did. So otherwise, we have a badass series coming out on a Ram 5500 rollback wrecker. I'm really excited. We're gonna make a luxury rollback wrecker out of this thing. It's a 4x4 ASIN Cummins, has a wheel lift, 19.5-foot steel deck bed. It is a really, really cool wrecker. I'm super excited about it. I sold my 18 Ram 3500 so that we could build this truck. So this is gonna be a really cool build. We also have a lot of safari videos coming out soon. And then I'm thinking about what our next project's going to be. I think I want it to be a hot rod of some sort. So, and of some sort, I mean of the police car genre. So I think either it's going to be my 2010 Crown Vic, putting twin turbos on it, or building my 90 Caprice 9C1, which is the square body. It's the last year of the square body Caprices. Really cool cars. It has had a lot of stuff done. I've had the car for a really, really long time, but we're going to be tearing that down and putting a DZ302 clone, it's not a real one, in it, and a 6-speed. So I have the parts for that one already. I could get the parts for the Crown Vic. So let me know in the description below what you think would be a cooler build. I want them to be kind of a shorter build, not as big of a series as doing this Pontiac, so that we can move on and move to the next thing. So anyway, let me know in the description below. Otherwise, we'll see you again real soon.